the 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan. This 7-passenger van is ready to drive off the showroom floor. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and air conditioning. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.